Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn off tiling keypad vibration in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. While you tiling on the keypad here, you will experience some vibration. Okay, each time when you press one number, a small vibration will be felt by your finger. If you want to turn off it, just go to the settings of your phone here and go to sounds and vibration and go to system sound and vibration control, and under vibration just turn off this button dialing keypad. Now go to the dialer and type number. There will be no vibration will not be experienced by you. So in this way we can easily turn off vibration for tiling keypad in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.